Hi there guys, so let's jump straight into this video. This video is all about the simple moving averages. We're gonna use the 21 and 50 simple moving averages. So what I want you guys to do right now is to go into your phone or desktop MetaTrader 5, then go to indicators, insert your 21 and 50 moving averages. I want you to make your 50 moving averages as red and your 21 uh, simple moving average is blue. We will use our SMAs to determine a high probability trading setup. When our moving averages is in our favor, we can hold our trades longer. When we're trading above the two SMAs, we will look for buys only. Once we're trading above our two moving averages, we will most likely only look for buys. When we trade below the two SMAs, we will look for sells only. Once we start to trade under our two moving averages, we will only look for sell positions. Let's take a look on the chart. So before we jump to the charts, guys, I want you guys to take notes from all of this stuff. Keep it in a notebook so you guys can memorize what I'm basically mean and what I'm basically saying, talking about the moving averages. So please keep in mind we're going to use the 21 and our 50 simple moving averages when we're trading above both moving averages, we will only look for buys and we trading, and when we trade under our two moving averages, we will only looking for sells. So let's look for examples on the charts.